Hey Elise, this is your, at the time fiance, but I suppose when you're listening to it, your husband Chase, giving you a rundown on the situation. So it is approximately 4:10 p.m. on Saturday, June 26th of the 2021 year. Currently walking around Dixon's Apple Orchard by myself, a little ways from everybody else because it's a little bit overwhelming with all the crappy weather and stuff, but just wanted to say, incredibly excited to see you. I love you a lot. Also, I tight rolled my Blundstones for you, by the way. I suppose you can either make fun of me or be proud of me later on. So, I love you a lot. See you in a little bit.
The sunset lights, so pretty in those brown eyes. Fire from the sunrise, and it wasn't a blue sky. It was torture overturned by a matter of pride.
Chase, you know that getting married now was not in my plan. Back when we first got together, I had the fear that I would be missing out on so many things by getting into a serious relationship at this point in my life. But then I realized how much I'd be missing out on by not marrying you. I can say with confidence that everything is better when it's done with you. You bring a little glimmer of light into my life that I realized was lacking before. Your confidence, your humor, your positivity, your reassurance. How could I ever feel like I was missing out on life if I get to go through it with you? Chase, I love your intelligence, your wit, and your endless references to The Office. I love the way your enthusiasm seems to radiate off of you when you're excited. It's like you physically glow. I can't wait to see your excited reactions for years to come. I am thankful for a partner who gives direction and planning to my dreams and whims, and I always come back to your steadfastness. I love you, Chase, and I vow to spend the rest of my life serving the Lord alongside you.
Elise, you are the most intelligent person I've ever met. The way that you think about things bewilders me, confuses me, and astounds me. And so I am incredibly excited for what the future entails. But lastly, Elise, I vow to love you and to strive to love you to my best in the same way that Christ has done for the church. Elise, I promise to care for you well on days that are full of sunshine and highlighted with laughter, but also on the days that are overcast and raining. Days that are accented by tears and weeping. I promise to care for you, to be the shoulder that you can lean on. I'm going to stop talking because I could ramble forever, but I love you, Elise.
In the presence of God and these many witnesses, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Chase, you may kiss your bride.